Has many health benefits. It lowers cholesterol, it helps you in losing weight, it's loaded with fiber. It's a little nutty, but it's delicious. And if you add it to your diet, you'll enjoy the health benefits. I'm going to heat a little bit of olive oil. Once it's hot, I'm going to add onions, quick toss. Once it's translucent, we add mushrooms, broccoli, some mixed peppers, 1 tomato. Oh, it's already smelling so good. I'm going to add some sauteed spinach, a quick mix. Now to this, I'm going to add tomato pureed. Okay, so now it's time for our yummy barley to go in. I soaked the barley overnight and I've boiled it until it's al dente. We'll mix it. Look at these beautiful colors. You can actually use barley in a lot of dishes. You can try replacing rice with barley. And you can make risotto, and it's time to plate. And now it's time to drizzle some cheese. So I'm grating Parmigiano, but pasta without cheese is no fun. Wow, it's ready. Do try it at home for health unlimited.